getting a lot of emails bouncing back in your campaigns, it might be time to clean your subscribers list. A high amount of bounces can actually damage the reputation of your domain, which means lower deliverability equals less subscribers receiving your newsletters. MailerCheck is a verification tool that filters out any invalid or risky email addresses that are likely to bounce. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your MailerLite account with MailerCheck. Let's get started. First, you're going to need a MailerCheck account, and once you're here, head over to the Email Verification tab and click Verify New List. Choose MailerLite from the list and click Use. Now, if you don't already have an account connected, you can add yours by clicking Add Account from the drop-down menu, then click Connect Account to add your account's API key. To find it, open your MailerLite account in a new tab and click on the Integration tab. From here, find the MailerLite API area and click Use. Click Generate New Token and give it a name. Let's call this one MailerCheck. Once you have the token, copy and paste it into the API area field back in MailerCheck, and we'll name it MailerLite. Then click Add. Once it's added, you should be able to choose your MailerLite account from the drop-down list, and then click Authenticate. From there, you'll be able to see the segments and groups in your MailerLite account in the drop-down menu. You can select your list and then click Verify List to run it through MailerCheck's system so it can be cleared. Now, keep in mind, you will need credits in MailerCheck in order to verify any email addresses. If you need to check how many credits you have or purchase credits, you can do both right here at the top. MailerCheck will verify your list, and you can see the results by clicking View Details. Here you can select the different categories to export back into MailerLite. Now, since we want to make sure that your subscribers are receiving your emails, we recommend exporting only the valid subscribers for MailerCheck. Then at the bottom, you have the option to export the selected list back to MailerLite or download it. When you click the export option, you can check back in MailerLite to see the changes. You'll notice that you have a new group with the same name as the original with the text MailerCheck results next to it. Now that you know which subscribers are valid, you can choose if you want to delete these subscribers who were in the original group but are not valid. One way to achieve this is to go to the Subscribers tab and enter a new filter, choose Group, Belong to, and select the original group that you uploaded to MailerCheck. Then add the second condition and choose Group Does Not Belong to, and then select the new group that was added for MailerCheck with the valid email addresses. This will bring up the list of subscribers who were in the original group but were not marked as valid in MailerCheck. To remove them from your account and prevent bounced emails next time you send a newsletter, scroll down and click the down arrow to select all subscribers. Then click the Actions button and select Delete. This will remove the invalid subscribers from your MailerLite account, leaving only the valid subscribers in the original group. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.